Data in SAP HANA is constantly written into disk from memory at save points, and it can be performed with database being online. Data backup can be taken manually or can be scheduled in HANA Studio. Data backup is stored in a specific destination mentioned in configuration file global.ini with the parameters. Let us see how to run the data backup manually in HANA system.
In this tutorial, we will see how we can take the backup of the SAP HANA system. So this is my SAP HANA Studio and I have logged into the SAP HANA system. If we expand this, then we have the option of the backup. If we double click it, it will open up the backup options. So here if we double click it, we will be able to see the status of the currently active data backup. Like if any backup is running currently, it will show the status here, and it will also show the last successful data backup, like when that last successful data backup got started, when it was finished, what was the duration, what was the size, what is the throughput, and what is the destination type. Now let's say if I want to trigger the new backup, I will click on this open backup wizard. If we click on the open backup wizard, here we have to select the backup type. So we can either use the complete data backup, we can have the differential data backup, and we have the incremental data backup. So first of all, let's select the complete data backup. Then we have to select the destination type. So we can either have the destination type as file or we can have the backend. So if we select the file, it will export it to the file. Then we have the backup destinations. So the default destination is used unless you specify the different destination. If we specify the new destination, we have to ensure that the directory already exists. So for the improved data safety, SAP recommend that we specify an external backup destination. So this is my backup destination and this is my backup prefix. After that, we have to click on next. Once we'll click on next, it will tell us the system information, that the system is HTTP and the host is west and the version. After that, what is the backup definition? That is my backup type, which is the complete data backup, destination type, which is file, and then the backup destination and the backup prefix. So we have to verify all these and then we can click on finish. So if we click on finish, it will start running the backup. So we can see here that it is taking the backup for this one. It is taking the data backup for the access engine, name server, index server, data provisioning server, and the script server. So if we minimize this window, we can see here that in the status of currently running data backups, we can see the data backup status which we have just triggered. We can cancel the backup at any moment of time using this cancel backup. So if I click on this cancel backup, it will cancel the backup which is currently running, and it will take the last successful data backup which was taken earlier and which was a successful run. So in this tutorial, we have seen how we can take the data backup in SAP HANA system, what are the different options and what are the different destinations we can give. Thank you.